going today to have a street art tour. Let's go. Oh, my head is...
Try to catch me howling at the moon.
आप वॉक के लिए निकले हो? Here I come out of train to exit at Jorbagh metro station. I must say it got some pretty pictures of Lodhi garden. Then I'm on my way to book my ride. Oh, finally. The driver spots me and drops me in no time because it's just around 2 kilometers away from metro. Your name? Thank you for the dropping. From here, I start my walk tour to explore this place. I'm amazed to see some wonderful paintings on these walls already. Khanda market is this side and Khan market is that side. This is actually Central Park where we are walking now. You know, Lodhi colony actually holds the rich history from British times, and now these government quarters turned out to be the India's first art district with amazing murals painted by almost 50 Indian and international artists. But how did it happen? Well, this great initiative was taken by a non-profit organization called Start India Foundation that holds the mission to make art democratic since 2015. So some renowned artists across the world were invited to come and beautify this spacious, peaceful landscape. Observe a signboard attached over every painting. If you are curious to know about art and artists, you can check this out. Oh, at its bottom, you can see the names of sponsors and government partners of this project. Thank goodness, these roads are so spacious and fun to walk around. I'm buying paneer patties. Thank you. So the most of the paintings, if I got to see, should I go that way? Well, I see that's one of the iconic places to explore in Delhi. The people I met here find it very normal because it's a daily usual view for them since it was made, you know. You can actually see the map of Lodhi colony here, residential, near this place. हाँ, ये उसके उस तरफ तो और आगे नहीं है ना? नहीं, और आगे नहीं है, वो तो प्रेम नगर पड़ जाता है। तो ये आखिरी वो है ना? इसके उस तरफ है? मार्केट है उधर। कौन सा मार्केट है? खन्ना मार्केट इस तरफ है। And no, I'm just exploring the surroundings. Okay, where are you? So yeah. Thank you. क्या नाम है? What's your name?
My name is Nishan.
I'm not that great, but yeah. मैं बॉल करती हूँ.
वो बॉल बच गया.
Kind of getting used to it using tripod, holding tripod in the public space, and switching like this. See, I forgot to remove this. Hello. Your name?
Hemu.
Hemu. I'm trying to locate the places with the help of Delhi Nepali. Okay. Being in this greenish landscape, these wall paintings do bring the vibe of an art gallery. You can explore as well as take selfies, as many you want without any entry ticket. These huge plain walls in a peaceful environment couldn't stop artists to sprinkle the magic of art. Doesn't it look like a wonderland? You're born here actually. कोई आर्टिस्ट आया उनसे बात हुई शेक हैंड दिया नहीं मुझे भी नहीं देना
जो बना रहे थे
हाँ
नहीं
never ever and they were all foreigners or Indian artists were also
foreigners
there.
and Indians.
Do you find a painting here anywhere? I thought that's not a painting and why this board exists, so that confusion happened. So this in itself a painting done by Mr. Mark Lee from Switzerland. Let's cross the road before that bus comes. We are crossing it. बोर्ड तो है ही नहीं यहाँ पे. बोर्ड जो रहता है ना आर्टिस्ट वाला काट दिया है क्या?
हाँ उखाड़ दिया ये.
Oh, my Hindi is getting better. I said ukhad diya. This tree is actually giving very good smell in the surrounding. I observe artists ensured to paint pipes even for a clean view of the mural at a distance. This place really seems so nice for a colorful street tour. क्या बोला आपने? पाव भाजी? वड़ा पाव दोनों एक जैसे लगते हैं मुझे. वड़ा पाव नॉट पाव भाजी. काफी तीखा होगा. नो
मिर्ची नहीं है सीखा नहीं चलेगा आपसे बात करनी चाहिए तब तो कोई बात नहीं.
दिल्ली का वड़ा पाव नहीं. थैंक यू. I hopped into a park nearby to relax and taste this vada pav. Oh, this is wet. Okay, let's settle down. I didn't expect much, but it was tasty, crispy, and spicy as much as I can tolerate. Damn, I'm gonna miss it. Seriously, it is like earthquake. We got a new friend. This guy getting friendly. Hello. This community seems to be having so many cats here. Bye. It feels amazing to see this painting here. I saw it in Google. Many visitors come here and take selfies as being part of this painting. It reflects the local life. These are on walk and I found a pretty nice tempo spot here. आप सब वॉक के लिए निकले हो? आप वॉक के लिए निकले हो? Hello, namaste. Looking at this group sitting around a bonfire, guess what? I joined them too.
तू है कर ले.
We are getting inside and should have some coffee. Very strong aroma I'm getting. यहाँ पे लोग ऑर्डर कैसे करते? हिंदी में कैसे बात करते हैं? अलग अलग डायलेक्ट्स होते हैं ना. हरियाणवी वाले बोलने का स्टाइल कुछ अलग ही है. बॉडी लैंग्वेज तो भैया इज नॉट एज इन लिटरल सेंस ऑफ सेइंग भैया, राइट? भैया इज भैया. आई थिंक इट इज काइंड ऑफ हैविंग अमीगो वाइब. ऐसे कितनी बार बोलते हैं एक दिन में? हर दिन तो मतलब बातचीत में चलता होगा ये।
यहाँ तो चलता है, बहुत चलता है। दोस्तों के साथ जब भाई काम कर दे मेरा,
वो वाला
भाई प्लेट लगा दे,
भाई प्लेट लगा दे, तो वो कौन सा भाई है?
वो भाई एक बॉन्डिंग टाइप ऑफ पर्सन, राइट?
नहीं, भैया वाला भाई नहीं।
भाई प्लेट लगा दे।
Bye. So Enzo is chilling here in the cafe, and we are saying bye. Okay, thank you so much.
2 दिन पहला
ठंड शुरू हो गई है, and we are kind of enjoying evening ठंड. I really got confused how to wear it. It's a traditional thing in Gurudwara to wear it before entering. It feels really nice being there and listening to their folk music. Our tour kind of ends here with Gurudwara. What name is it?
Shri Guru Singh Sabha.
Shri Guru Singh Sabha Gurudwara. So near Lodhi colony, there is a Gurudwara. You can come here and have some peace time. Yeah. So we say bye. Wait. Don't you want to see behind the scenes of it? This is also my first street tour where I walked and talked a lot on camera. The Pani Puri one is I died for it. South mein bhi nahi hota hai Pani Puri, the way they make the pani. Thanks to all those people who joined me in video and made it much more fun. They have their own authentic accent. To say the place with that pronunciation. Going to sit here for a while. There are so many shops like this. When I got to know about this place through Google, I couldn't imagine what I just experienced. Feeling art vibes across streets, meeting locals in different spots, exploring regional language with dialects and accent through chats and much more. Hope you loved watching it. Make sure you like, subscribe for more such videos to come. तब तक फिर मिलेंगे. Namaste.